Ooh, 안녕하세요, double Armida.
Hi, back again.
We're doing multiple videos if you haven't noticed already.
Yeah,
Hi.
so our roommate Denice is back with us. We're about to watch her baby Rain, or by Rain, however you know him.
It's her husband, not her baby. It's her husband.
It's her baby.
Don't get it
regardless if
twisted.
No, it's still her baby. She can call him.
We're married with 22 kids. Don't hate.
All right. Jeez, I was about to say she can still call her husband baby. That's what I'm saying. Her baby.
I'm just gonna play it.
Go. They've never seen this before, by the way.
It's funny because we were just watching Ninja Assassin.
I know how to watch my baby in action.
I've seen this. I've seen this come back from last year.
Because he's out of the military.
Yep. And immediately came out with a comeback. Well, almost immediately. Did you kiss him on the cheek, Denise?
Shh, don't tell my business.
It's right there on his cheek, though.
Are they wearing cowboy boots or just heels?
It's just heels. I remember this.
He's singing at me, by the way.
I thought he was shirtless for a second. I was
I was
what?
like, who's the lady?
Oh yeah, there's guys and girls in this.
I want their outfits.
The pants are just everything.
He looks good here.
My baby.
Look at those tight pants on him.
They're like Mortal Kombat characters.
Oh, the girls?
Yeah.
I remember that.
What's with the trending videos?
He just wanted something different for this one. I remember this dance.
I was waiting for the shirtlessness.
Not in this one, if I remember right.
Dang.
Been a while since I've watched this one. I like this haircut on him. It suits him really well.
It fits his face.
Even when it's slick back to like,
I can't wait for him to turn
Right
around
here.
so you can see the back.
all you have to do is turn to the side.
Yeah, but I want
Well,
to see the full view. I mean, the side's nice. The side cheek is nice, but I need both cheeks.
I need it all.
I don't think he does, like, fully that you can see it. Or long enough that you can see it.
Yeah, the cameraman's playing. Oh, this is.
Okay.
The voice.
She loves his
Yes.
English voice, by the way. Well, his,
She likes his voice. In
I just
general.
like his speaking voice.
yeah.
There it is.
All he has to do is talk to him. I'm like, ooh.
She's gone by then.
We got 25 kids.
What?
Wait,
It's
she's
22.
at
What?
3
You can't
in the
add
last
3.
couple seconds.
We got 25.
Or is it just said the rain effect, I guess?
Yes.
Lord.
Anyways,
Wowzers.
I've seen this before. I saw it when it came out last year.
I liked it.
I liked it a lot. I always like Rain, but that's just me. What do you think, Denise? It's your baby. Yo, hubby.
I'm always excited to see him.
Clearly, you went from 22 kids to 25.
Within just this music video.
That's the rain effect.
Within 3
Bam, you're
minutes. Within like 4 minutes, you added 3 more kids.
Don't worry about me and my kids.
Either he works fast or you work fast.
They both work
They
fast.
They
I don't
both
even
work
know
fast.
wow. Hey.
Anyway, sorry, I needed a drink. But I love this choreography. He always does it well.
We're all roommates, by the way, too. So just throw that out there.
Yeah.
But all this craziness is on a daily basis.
Yep. No, I'm kidding. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it is.
Don't let me come over there.
On that note, we're probably gonna go. If you want us to watch anything else, or if you want us to feature Denice in something else, let us know down below, please. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.